You can see it in this Excel file over here. Question number 32. Now these sums, what we are going to do from today, are very important for your exam. Such sums can come in your exam for 3 to 5 marks. Okay, I'll read the question for you. The sex-wise and stream-wise information of 1000 students of standard 11 and 12 of a higher secondary school is given below. Represent the data in an appropriate table. 600 out of 1000 students of the school are boys and rest are girls. 350 students in commerce stream of standard 11, 150 are girls. Out of total 620 students of standard 11, 90 are girls of science stream. Out of total 130 of science stream of standard 12, 70 are boys. The total number of girls studying in standard 12 is 160. Now, obviously ये पूरा पैराग्राफ तुमने पढ़ लिया, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा because बहुत सारे numbers है, बहुत सारा information है. So first, let's highlight the important points which we need to make a table. So यहाँ पे standard 11, standard 12, ये दो पैरामीटर है. We have 11th standard, we have 12th standard. Then we have boys, we have girls. Then we have commerce, and then we have science. So now there are different parameters. So first I'll make a simple layout in rough. कि यहाँ पे we have 11, we have 12, we have science, we have commerce, we have science, we have commerce, and then we have boys, and then we have girls. 3 layer है यहाँ पे, 3 layers are there, layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. Now how we want to do it is, ये जो पहला layer है, we can take it vertical, जैसे कि 11th लिया, 12th लिया, and then total. फिर यहाँ पे साइंस लिया, ध्यान दो प्लीज, फिर कॉमर्स लिया, एंड देन टोटल. अब साइंस में क्या है, साइंस के अंदर है बॉयज गर्ल्स टोटल, कॉमर्स में है बॉयज गर्ल्स टोटल, एंड नेवर फॉरगेट द लास्ट पार्ट, अगेन बॉयज गर्ल्स टोटल. तो ऐसा हम एक लेआउट बना सकते हैं. ओके, ये रफ में है, पैर में करूंगा अभी. हम एक ऐसा लेआउट बना सकते हैं. नाउ अब ध्यान दो. नाउ सी, दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड. You may do it other way around. Instead of taking 11th and 12th over here, you can also take science and commerce 11th 12th over here. Okay, that is also possible. So ये तुम्हारे ऊपर है, तुम्हें कैसा लेआउट बनाना है. Generally I go with this कि बॉयज गर्ल्स हम ऐसे लिख सके जहां पे हम टोटल बॉयज टोटल गर्ल्स कर सके. 11th 12th हम ऐसे लिखेंगे सो दैट वी नो 11th में कितना, 12th में कितना. ये सबका अपना चॉइस है. अगर तुम लेआउट चेंज करते हो तो भी गलत नहीं है. तुम होमवर्क में जब ये सम करते हो तो यू कैन ट्राई अदर वे राउंड. तुम फॉर्मेट चेंज करो एंड देन ट्राई टू डू इट. नाउ बिफोर वी स्टार्ट मेकिंग द फॉर्मेट, we have to write the heading. Never forget the heading. So let's write the heading first. We write the heading, table showing, you can write it with me, sex wise and stream wise information of information of
Strama STREM ना है streama
हाँ ये चाहे भाई printing mistake थे sorry for a higher secondary school. So first we write the heading, then as I told you, you can do it differently, but we will follow this thing, that standard 11, 12 total. Then science, commerce, total. तो म्यूट कर दो प्लीज. Then in science we take boys, girls, total. Boys, girls, total. So now we are ready with our layout. Make proper format, do it neatly. काम चल. Are you all ready with the format?
Yes.
सब thumbs up कर दो if you're ready, so I know. Make proper format. चलो great. Now ये जो ready किया हमने format, this is known as a layout. Okay. So if you see some questions, then they ask you only to make a layout. तो layout करना है तो सिर्फ ऐसा format ही करना है. It is known as layout. Okay. Now let's start with the sum. Now be extremely careful. यहाँ पे तुम्हें हर एक चीज बराबर पढ़ना है और प्रॉपर सेल में लिखना है. अगर तुमने गलती कर दिया तो फिर बाद में तुम्हारा सब आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. So first let's start with the first part, the sex wise and stream wise information of 1000 students of standard 11th and 12th. So in 11th and 12th दोनों मिला के there are total 1000 students. तो लिख दो main total में 1000 students. Then let's check मानो अनम्यूट करने भाई अनम्यूट करने प्लीज तो थोड़ी थोड़ी वाले अनम्यूट केम થઈ જાય છે ओके नाउ ये 1000 सबको पता चल गया तो अब आगे ध्यान दो नाउ 600 आउट ऑफ टोटल 1000 ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर बॉयज सो 1000 में से बॉयज आर 600 so obviously now we can find out how many girls so girls are 400 or wait let me change the color girls I'll take in pink boys I will take in blue ओके तो यहाँ पे पिंक मैंने लिया है इसके लिए क्योंकि ये हमने कैलकुलेट करके फाइंड किया है ओके 600 वाज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू अस तो उसको मैंने ब्लू में लिया है नाउ आउट ऑफ 350 स्टूडेंट्स इन कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 11 अब ध्यान दो तुम्हें ये फिजिकली देखना पड़ेगा कि ये कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम है ध्यान देना प्लीज स्क्रीन पे कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में standard 11th में there are total how many students in 11th standard so there are total 350 students 150 are girls ये भी 150 दिया है so I'm writing over here now 150 are girls so can we find the missing how many boys 200 are boys out of total 620 students in standard 11 now in 11th standard यानी यहाँ पे ये 11th standard में total there are 620 students in 11th standard 90 are girls in science stream तो science stream में 90 are girls So let's find the missing one. 620, 1000 minus 620 is 380. Now still we can do the missing one, but अब last में करेंगे बाद में. Now out of 130, out of total 130 of science stream of standard 12. So 12 standard science stream का total 130 students 70 are boys if 70 are boys then remaining are girls so 60 are girls the total number of girls studying in standard 12 total number of girls studying in standard 12th यानी 12th में total कितने girls है? There are 160 girls. So now let's find the missing values. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
हाँ बोलो रोहन, क्या डाउट है?
There are 160 water total. The girls have you 160.
160. Okay, we read the total number of girls studying in standard 12 is 160. એટલે 12th standard માં total girls કેટલી છે? તો 12th standard માં total માં girls 160. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? Ron, you understood?
No sir.
Sorry?
No sir.
Did you read?
Yes.
What is written? Can you read for me?
Out of a total 130 of science stream of standard 12, 70 are boys. The total number of girls studying in standard 12 is 160.
એટલે 12th standard માં total માં column માં જતો રહે. Total 12th માં 160 girls છે.
Yeah, understood sir.
Understood? Okay. એટલે ના ખબર પડે ને તો ટેન્શન નહીં લેવાનું. You read slowly and then you see where you have to place the number. કેમ કે number અગર ઉપર નીચે થઈ ગયો તો your sum will go wrong. Okay? Now, यहाँ तक सबका हो गया है. Does anyone have any doubt? All of you proceed. Now we start filling up the gaps. Now हमें तो पता ही है कि कैसे find करना है. Let's go one by one. What we know, we go first. I'll take another color. I'll take green. So 400, 160. Over here देखो please total में 400, 160. So 240.
240.
Now 380, 160.
220. 220.
120, 620, 620, 240. So 380. Always check 380 plus 220 is 600. सब तरह से हमेशा क्रॉस वेरीफाई कर लेना. Now let's go over here. Science and commerce. Now commerce में आ जाओ सबसे पहले. On the screen please pay attention. Now total 620 students है in 11th standard. उसमें से 350 कॉमर्स में है. तो साइंस में कितने हैं? 620 minus 350. So 270. ये पता चला 270. फिर से एक बार 620 total है minus 350. I'm circling it over here. 620 minus 350. So you get 270. Now once you get 270, once you get 270, we fill in the gaps. 270 plus 130 is 400. 270 minus 90 is 180. 180 plus 70 is 250. 90 plus 60 is 150. So 250 plus 150 is equal to 400. Now we can fill in this also. Dhyan do please. Let me take a different color pen. 380. 380 minus 380 minus 130. 380 minus 130 is 250. So 250 मिल गया हमें. So 350 plus 250 is equal to 600. Then what about this two missing and this two missing? Very simple, ध्यान दो. 160 girls. Wait, let me take a different color now. 160 girls total, उसमें से 60 girls are in science stream, so 100 girls are in commerce stream. So 150 plus 100 is 250. 250 minus 100 is 150. 200 plus 150 is 350. Check your answer. Read the question once again. See whether you are able to understand every amount what has come. Once again मैं तुम्हें ये रिवाइज कराता हूँ. टैब्यूलेशन में पहले तुम क्वेश्चन बराबर पढ़ना, उसके बाद ओके. नाउ टैब्यूलेशन में क्वेश्चन तुम बराबर पढ़ना, और क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद पहले जो हमने बॉक्सेस बनाए अंडरलाइन किया वो सब मार्क कर दो कि क्या क्या वेरिएबल्स है. वंस यू मेक दैट वेरिएबल तुम उसको रफ लेआउट बना लो एक, और देख लो कि तुम विजुअलाइज कर लो कि कैसा टेबल तुम्हारा बनेगा. अभी हमने जो टेबल किया है वो मैक्सिमम है, इससे ज्यादा वेरिएशन वाला जनरली आता नहीं है. तो तुम्हें देख लेना है कि क्या तुम लिखोगे वर्टिकली, क्या तुम लिखोगे हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके. नाउ नेवर फॉरगेट द टोटल कॉलम, जैसे कि वी डिड साइंस देन कॉमर्स, but don't forget the total, otherwise you may not be able to place some value. जैसे कि 1000 students हम तभी place कर पाए जब हमारे पास total का column था. तो always remember to add the total column on the right hand side and at the bottom. Is this clear? सिर्फ एक ही टाइप के सम से जहां पे बॉटम में टोटल नहीं आता है वो मैं जब कराऊंगा तब बताऊंगा. दे आर जहां पे ईयर्स दिया होता है, पर जहां पे ईयर्स नहीं दिया है नीचे भी टोटल चाहिए और एक्सट्रीम राइट में भी टोटल चाहिए. तो खास ध्यान रखना सब. ओके. शुड वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट सम नाउ?
सर वो क्वेश्चन फिर से शेयर करो ना.
ओके. क्वेश्चन शेयर करता हूं मैं. Okay, you can see the screen, and if you have any doubt you can still ask me. If we are done with the question, then let's go to question number 33. Question number 33 यहाँ पे मैंने already type करके रखा है. You all come to the material, and if you don't have the material in front of you, then you can refer this question written on the screen. Now mark this question, extremely important for exam. Even the previous one and this one, ये सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Let's read the question, okay, and take a pen or pencil with you. Now present the following data in tabular form. So we have to make a table out of total 1850 women working in a factory. So we have this total 1850 women, यानी all are women, okay, working in a factory. 549 were from labor area. So I'll make a box. एक नया पैरामीटर आया labor area, and others were from other area. So labor area है, other area है. Then out of total married, तो एक और आ गया यहाँ पे attribute married women of labor area. 250 had experience of service, तो एक आ गया experience, and the rest were inexperienced, तो एक पैरामीटर आ गया experience and inexperience. So अभी तक हमने क्या हाईलाइट किया? women है, labor है, other है, एक्सपीरियंस है, इनएक्सपीरियंस है, मैरिड है, अनमैरिड है. Now let's read further and see कुछ नया दिया है. Number of experienced and inexperienced married women for other area are 87 and 400 respectively. The total number of women with no experience was 1336, out of whom 136 were from labor area. Out of total number of women in factory, 1020 were unmarried, of whom number of experienced women from labor and other area were 163 and 14 respectively. Now ये पढ़ने के बाद भी तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सा अमाउंट कौन से सेल में आएगा, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हमें इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे एट्रीब्यूट्स या पैरामीटर्स देखने हैं, तो वो हमने ऑलरेडी मार्क कर दिए. वी हैव विमेन, we have labor, we have other area, labor area, other area, married, unmarried, experience, inexperience. So before we start with the sum, एक रफ हम लेआउट बना लेते हैं देखने के लिए ऐसा डायग्राम. So हमारे पास women है और women में there are two parts, labor area and other area. Then we have experience of service and inexperience of service, and then we have married and then we have unmarried. So you can see कि यहाँ पे 3 levels है, labor, experience, inexperience and married and unmarried. तो यहाँ पे how we can visualize a table is we can make a table like this. We take area like this. So area we can take like this, जहाँ पे labor है, other है, total है. Okay, we can take it this way. Then we can take experience, or we can even take, if you don't want to take experience, you can take married, unmarried and total. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. चलो ऐसा ही करते हैं. उसके अंदर you can take experience, inexperience, total, experience, inexperience, total and experience, inexperience, total. तो ऐसा एक लेआउट तुम्हारे माइंड में आ जाना चाहिए. विजुअलाइज कर दो and then start making the layout. Now this question is your question exercise 2.2. Question number 4. This is exercise 2.2. Question number 4. You can mark it. ये textbook में भी same question is given. Now let's make the format, but before we make the format, we have to write the heading. So let's first write the heading. Never forget the heading or the title, otherwise पूरा sum write है. But if heading is not written, तुम्हारे 2 mark, 1 mark can be deducted. Okay? Just like कि तुम्हारा बोर्ड का मार्कशीट है और ऊपर हेडिंग नहीं है, कौन से साल का है, किसने इश्यू किया, तो उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. वैसे हर एक टेबल के ऊपर उसका हेडिंग होना चाहिए. So we write the heading first. Table showing give you a proper heading. Number of women according to their work experience, residence of area and marital status. मैरिटल स्टेटस यानी मैरिड है या अनमैरिड है, सिंगल है, सेपरेटेड है, डिवोर्सी है, दैट इज नोन एज मैरिटल स्टेटस. area, labor, other, total. Married, अगर तुम ऐसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हो EXP, INEXP, तो टेबल के नीचे लिखना व्हाट इज EXP एंड देन यू राइट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ सर्विस. INEXP तो टेबल के नीचे लिखना इन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ सर्विस. ओके, ये सब लिखना. टोटल, if you have done the format, give me a thumbs up. Should I wait? Okay, Kanan, I'll come to you. Yeah, Kanan, you have some doubt? Kanan, you have doubt?
No sir, वो by mistake हो गया.
Okay. So now let's start. Now all of you please. Yeah, Pranav, what happened?
Yes, sir. Can you please solve the sum for us? I have a doubt in the total experience and inexperience. क्योंकि उसमें दिया नहीं है कि मतलब या the total number of women with no experience was 1336, out of whom 136 were from labor area.
I'll come to that. Just hold on, okay?
Yes, sir.
You do whatever you know, then I'm coming to it, okay? Okay, now all of you please pay extra attention to this sum. Mark it extremely important for your exam. Now over here, Let's go one by one. You also pay full attention. Out of total 1850 women working in a factory. So there are total 1850 women. So write 1850. Total में 1850. 549 were from labor area. So labor area में there were 549. So how many were from the other area? 1850 minus 549. Calculator पे कर लो.
1301.
1301. Okay, I'll put a star over here so that we know कि ये हमने calculate किया था. Then out of total married women, यानी अब है ना तुम्हें क्या करना है? See, when I was doing it in the board, I was able to place my hand on the married part जहाँ पे married लिखा था. Now digitally it's not possible. तो तुम जब ये मेरा लेक्चर देखोगे तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा exactly नोटबुक में कैसे ध्यान रखना है, so that सेल ऊपर से नीचे नहीं हो जाए. Okay, so married. Out of total married women of labor area, यानी ये married labor area में जाने का 250 had experience of service. Now experience of service में labor में there are 250. पता चला 250 सबको? फिर से एक बार. Out of total married women of labor area 250 had experience of service. So total married labor area में से 250 को सर्विस का एक्सपीरियंस, जॉब का एक्सपीरियंस था. Now and the rest were inexperienced, पर वो तो हमारे पास नंबर अभी है ही नहीं. Now सब अपने आप को म्यूट कर दो प्लीज, ये में डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत आ रहा है. परम म्यूट कर. परम, कीर्तन, सब अपने आप को म्यूट कर दो प्लीज. ओके, तुम्हें जब कुछ बोलना हो तो अनम्यूट करके वापस फिर म्यूट कर देना प्लीज. ओके, नाउ आगे.
हेलो सर.
हाँ हाँ बोलो ना.
સર આપણે ટોટલ 1850 જે છે ટોટલ કોલમમાં છે સર, એ આપણે લોઅર થી જ કેમ ચાલુ કર્યું?
લોઅર થી એટલે
સર તમે
ક્વેશ્ચન માં શું આપ્યું છે કે ટોટલ there are 1850 women, એટલે ટોટલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ, ઇનએક્સપિરિયન્સ, લેબર, અધર મળીને ટોટલ 1850 લોકો છે. તો એ આપણે ટોટલમાં જ લખવું પડશે ને, ટોટલના ટોટલમાં.
એમની સર, પણ તમે પેલું થર્ડ રો થી ચાલુ કર્યું ને એકદમ લાસ્ટ.
પણ એમાં એવું છે ને કે હા, એટલે ત્યાં કરવું પડશે ને, કેમ કે ટોટલ અહીંયા છે. જો ટોટલ જોયું તો અહીંયા, અને ટોટલ અહીંયા છે, તો ટોટલ કેટલા લોકો છે આપણી આગળ? તો ટોટલ છે 1850 એવું આપ્યું તો છે, તો મારે આ સેલમાં જવું પડશે ને યાર. કેમ કે હું અહીંયા બીજે ક્યાંક લખીશ તો પછી એ તો એરિયા ચેન્જ થઈ ગયો, અનમેરિડમાં આવી જશે. હવે અનમેરિડ 1850 નથી અહીંયા. જો અહીંયા I mean to say 1850 I can't write over here. 1850 I can't write over here because this is total married, this is total unmarried. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો તને?
હા સર, હા સર.
ઓકે, રબ કર દો. ઓકે, નાઉ આગળ વધીએ આપણે. પ્લીઝ ધ્યાન આપજો. Now the number of experienced and inexperienced married women for other area are 87 and 400 respectively. Now be careful. Number of, whenever you read, this should be in your mind. Okay, so read properly. या પછી તમે હાથ મૂકીને જ વાંચો એટલે ખબર પડે કયા સેલમાં તમારે રાખવાનું છે નંબર. The number of experienced and inexperienced married women એટલે married ના કોલમમાં આવી જાઓ, એમાં experience, inexperience for other area એટલે other માં આવી જાઓ, other area were 87 and 400 respectively. Read once again, see if you have understood. If you have not understood, then read once again and see if you have understood. If not understood, read once again and see if you have understood. If not, then ask me. पहले खुद ट्राई करेंगे, okay, so that you know how to answer the question. Okay, let's proceed now. The total number of women with no experience, total no experience was 1336. So total no experience was 1336. Out of whom? ये 1336 में से 136 were from labor area. ये 1336 में से 136 were from labor area. Is this clear? If not, read once again. If clear, give me a thumbs up. I love thumbs up with vanilla ice cream. Okay, great. जब हम सब मिलेंगे तब हम पार्टी करेंगे, ओके? होपफुली मेरे बर्थडे तक हम सब क्लास में आना चालू हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 16 अक्टूबर, ओके? सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स वेट. ओके, नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, out of total number of women in the factory, again total number of women in a factory, 1020 were unmarried. So total में unmarried कितने हैं? Factory unmarried total was 1020. So total unmarried was 1020. Once again, out of total number of women in a factory, total number of women in the factory 1020. ये total जो women है 1850 है, उसमें से total unmarried is 1020. Of whom, उसमें से भी number of experience from labor, number of experience from labor, ये labor, ये experience, and other area, labor, other experience were 163 and 14 respectively. 1020 में से unmarried women में से experienced women from labor and other area were 163 and 14 respectively. So let me do the total. It is 177. Now, can you fill in the gaps on your own? Try to fill up the gaps on
Yes.
your own. Okay, I will help you out. If you're not able to do, तो पहले total column ले लो. That's the best thing. 1336 minus 136. So 1200.
1200.
1200. Okay, thanks. Okay, then ये experience वाला column भी हम भर सकते हैं. 549 minus 136. 413. So ये आ गया 413. 1301 minus 1200. So 101. So total आ गया 514. Now let's go to the next one. Let me change the color of my pen. Purple. Okay. Now यहाँ पे 1020 और 177 है. So 1020 minus 177. So you get.
Sir, I have completed.
Sorry,
Sir, I have completed.
you have completed. Awesome. Help me with the numbers. Yeah.
मारो ही चाहिए ना सर.
Awesome. You guys rock. पर मैंने तो complete करवा दो. Okay. Great. તમે ચેક કરો કે સર બરાબર કમ્પ્લીટ કરે છે કે નહીં. ઓકે.
Sir, I have also done.
Oh, awesome. Now 1020843177 मिल गया. अब यहाँ पे we can do 87 plus 400 is 487. Now how to complete this? Very simple. We can go one by one. So 1301 is total minus 487 are married. So unmarried is 814.
Sir, thank you.
Is 814. Then 814 minus 14 is 800. Then 843 minus 800 is 43.
43.
163
Sir, done.
plus 43 is 206. Okay, now let's go to this 549 minus 206, which is equal to total merit is
343.
343. Now 343 minus 250
93.
equal to
93.
93. 493. 343 plus 487 is
830.
830 and 330
30.
and
337.
337, sir.
Great. Swayam, you have a doubt? Swayam, you have a doubt? Yeah,
यस सर.
tell me.
सर आप अनमैरिड वाला जो कॉलम है वो एक बार वापस समझा दोगे?
Oh, sure man. Now इसमें ना हर एक जो वैल्यूज है वो अलग अलग हमने फाइंड किया है. So first let's start with पहला वैल्यू कहाँ पे आया. Let me check it out. ओके नाउ सॉरी थोड़ा अमित सर आ गए थे तो मैं थोड़ा बिजी हो गया. अच्छा ध्यान दो यहाँ पे नाउ सबसे पहले लेट्स चेक आउट कि कहाँ से हम चालू कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक इसमें तो सब फिल इन द ब्लैंक ही हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें ना ये सब नंबर्स पहले से देखने पड़ेंगे. तो मैं एक बार रैपिड रिवीजन करा देता हूँ तुम्हें. ओके, लेट मी चेंज द कलर ऑफ द पेन सो दैट यू नो. ओके, वी कैन गो फॉर येलो. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1850 सबसे पहले आ गया हमारा टोटल. उसमें से 549 वर फ्रॉम लेबर एरिया. सो ये हमारा आ गया 549. उसके बाद माइनस किया 1850 में से 549 तो मिल गया 1301. देन आउट ऑफ टोटल मैरिड विमेन यानी मैरिड विमेन में टोटल में 250 हैड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ सर्विस. तो 250 यहाँ पे आ गया. एंड द रेस्ट वर इन एक्सपीरियंस. पर रेस्ट का हमारे पास कोई वैल्यू ही तब अवेलेबल था नहीं, तो इसको एज इट इज रख दिया हमने. ओके, then number of experienced and inexperienced women from other area were 87 and 400 respectively. So now over here, ये married from other area 87 and 400 respectively. Now the total number of women with no experience was 1336. Total number of women with no experience, यानी कोई भी experience नहीं है, वो है 1336. उसमें से 136 were from labor area. ये रहा labor area, तो 136 हमने labor area से लिया, ये वाला labor area 136. तो balancing हमें मिल गया ये 1200. Now out of total number of women in the factory, 1020 were unmarried. तो ये आया हमारा पहला इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ का. 1020 were unmarried, of whom number of experienced women from labor and other area were 163 and 14 respectively. Now ये पता चल गया. किसका डाउट था ये?
सर मेरा
स्वयं. ये पता चला तुम्हें 61
Yes, sir.
और 14. अब हमने क्या किया? Now we went with normal fill in the blanks. Okay? तो ये जो ब्लैक में है वो सब fill in the blanks है, जो पर्पल में है वो सब fill in the blanks है. Is this clear now? All of you understood this?
Yes.
Okay, will you be able to do the homework now? Now,
Yes, sir.
तुमको एक सजेशन है कि होमवर्क में तुम ये सम का ऑर्डर भी चेंज कर सकते हो. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन एक्सपीरियंस टोटल यू कैन टेक मैरिड अनमैरिड टोटल. ऑब्वियसली आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा बट स्टिल इट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. तो यू कैन ट्राई इट दैट वे. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think